Hello, and today I'm doing a review for you guys on the MSR camping ladle, camping spoon, whatever they want to call it. Now I did have the MSR spatula, but as I said in one of my earlier videos, I got rid of it because it didn't melt, but the plastic would heat up, and then this piece here would just fold up on you. I haven't had that problem with this, so I still use this, but it's nice, it's light, weighs about an ounce. And it folds up quite well. But I use this primarily when I'm camping and stuff, when I'm in a group, when I'm going to be making several meals worth of food, and I just use this to dish stuff out. So unlike the spatula, which was a stirring utensil for making eggs and all kinds of stuff, it got used a lot. This is really only used after the stuff is off the fire, so it doesn't end up heating up. It hasn't caused any problems. So I just go ahead and I still use it. It is the MSR spatula, like I said, and its locking mechanism is a little bit unique in that you push the sides and this piece here opens. Let me see if I can show it to you. Come on, focus. There we go. So you push the sides and the top piece opens, and then that is allowed to fold down. So it is really nice and stable as far as its ability to stay locked goes, but if you push it down, so it's nice and firm. It's a durable piece of equipment. I haven't had anything break on it so far. I did have the spatula mess up on me, but again, I use that a lot, so that's kind of to be expected. But sorry, my dog decided he wanted to climb on the tarp. Okay, back to the point. One thing that I did like about it that I didn't know it had when I actually purchased it is that it has measurement markings on the inside. Now I don't know how well you're going to be able to see them because my camera just doesn't want to focus today, but there. So let me tell you what they are. So the first measurement marking you have at the bottom is 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters. Then it has 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters. Then it has 1/4 cup, which is 60 milliliters. And 1/3 cup, 80 milliliters. So it has, your most common kind of measurements in there. I don't know why you'd measure stuff in a camping situation, considering you're really not bringing a lot of dry goods and stuff with you, but it is what it is. But that, this is still my primary camping spoon. Now I've had this for about 3 years now. So I've used this pretty much every time I go out cooking. Like I said, I really only use it when I cook, and I'm going to be cooking for more than one person, so I can dish out the servings. But it is something I cook with on a regular basis. It's not something that I, just leave in a backpack and never use. So it is a fairly well used item, although not as used as my new Outd, or not new, I've had it for about a year, the Outd metal spatula that I bought. That thing gets used a lot. But so far I like it. I do recommend you guys pick it up. It's not expensive. You're gonna somewhere under 10 bucks. But it's a good piece of camping cookware. The spoon is nice and durable. I haven't had any issues with it. The only one I had issues with was the spatula, but that's kind of to be expected. But there you have it. Now I will have affiliate links to this. I do support multiple countries, as I say at pretty much the end of all my videos, which is a recent thing that I started doing, so I want to make sure everyone knows. If you don't live in the United States and I was able to find this on your Amazon for the country I have listed, I support between 5 and 7 depending. You can pick this up at your own local Amazon if yours is one of the ones that I have listed. So make sure you take a look there if you do want to pick this up, because I might actually have your country listed, and you can grab it from your actual Amazon. But there you have it. There's my review. It's going to be 5 out of 5. It is a good piece of equipment, although I would stay away from their spatula. The actual spoon itself is good. It has held up. The locking mechanism is nice and strong. So I do recommend their spoon. But thank you guys for watching. And as always, if you like this video, hit like and subscribe. Bye-bye.